How do you become a better programmer? This is going to be part of a series of a few videos where I'll be giving you tips on how to become a better programmer. The first tip I have for you is that you need to learn to read code. Reading code is important as you're trying to become a better programmer. Whenever people are getting started in programming, they usually focus on writing code. And writing code is really important because it helps you understand things a lot better. But learning how to read other people's code is even better because it helps you discover the patterns that they follow whenever they are writing code. You're able to know even the common mistakes that people make whenever they try to write their code, because it's very universal, most of the other challenges that we face whenever we are writing code. But even better, whenever you learn to basically read other people's code, you're able to build a mental muscle that is going to help you be in the zone of understanding what code looks like every time you look at a piece of code. Now remember, whenever you are getting into tech and getting into the workplace, part of your work is going to be involving basically reviewing other people's code. This is going to be a major part of your work. You'll be receiving PRs, which refer to as pull requests, where people are writing code and pushing it, and you have to review it before you accept that sort of a submission they've made. So you need to be better at this. You need to early on practice on how to read code, how to note the patterns that are involved whenever people are writing code, and giving them enough feedback on how to improve their code. This is super important whenever you are trying to basically get started in programming. Now, some of you might be asking, how do you even find code that you're supposed to go and basically read if you don't have access to most of other people's code? The first place to find this is through open source. Whenever you go to GitHub, GitLab, you're going to find open source repositories, that open source code that people have pushed out there to the public. Go and start reviewing this sort of repos. You can go even to my GitHub account, just search my name on GitHub, and you can go and even read my code. The other thing is through, of course, the pull request that people make whenever they are working in a team or working on a project. This is also a good way for you to read the code that is being sent over there. The other thing that you can do is you can even go to LeetCode. Like, if you do a lot of LeetCode solutions, do not always just focus on your code. Just go and read other people's LeetCode solutions. They'll help you understand better on how to read code. The first tip I have for you is reading other people's code. It is very, very important. We'll talk about another tip in the next video.